Good evening, students. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. How are you guys? Good evening. Good evening. Vasu, Pratibha, Prithviraj, Prince, Jinder Mel, Fenisha, TC Productions, Hanuman. Good evening, guys. Can you see me? Am I visible? Am I audible? Say yes, say okay, and I'll start the session. Okay, good evening. Good evening, Ayush. Yes, Yash. We're going to discuss your chances of selection of getting a particular college. We're going to discuss everything, Yash. That's what this session is for. So please be patient. I'll discuss all these things. Good evening, Avirup. So let's start the session. Good evening. Ria, Jindarmel, good evening. So let's start. The results have been announced. The results are available on this website, CET Cell, mahacet.org. The participating institutes where admissions take place through these CET scores are law colleges in Maharashtra, government colleges, government aided private colleges, excluding autonomous universities. For example, Symbiosis doesn't use these scores, it has its own separate entrance test, SET. So, anyway, some information about this year's CET. Approximately 28,000 candidates applied. The exam was conducted on the 11th of October in two shifts. The level of the exam was easy to moderate. Fewer than 17,000 candidates actually appeared for the exam, highest marks 131, and the number of candidates scoring 0 marks is 18. There was no negative marking. So it's not possible to score negative marks, but 18 students did score 0. Then, this is the frequency of top scores. I analyzed the top scores. Good evening, everyone. Drishti, Shankar Rao, Suhail, Hanuman, Anchal, good evening, everyone. Good to see all of you. Now, this is very important, guys. We're seeing, good evening, Komal. We're seeing the frequency of just the top scores. We're seeing the frequency of just the top scores. Just see this for a while. This is very important. So, see, these are 260 plus candidates. I'll tell you why I'm showing you this. Just see the scores, just see the frequency. Check this out. So, see, now out of these, let's say 110 is a good score. Out of these 260 plus candidates, maybe 10, 15, 20 people are faculty members. For example, our own Pranav Pant sir has got an All India rank of 23 or 25, I'm not sure. So he's got a very good rank. He appeared for the exam just for the sake of experience. So such candidates won't participate in the CAP rounds, common admission process. But Avirup at 8 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, please attend these sessions. Now, if you, yes, Maria, I'll reply to all your queries. Yes, please wait. I'll reply to all your queries. I'll show you the cutoffs for the top 10 colleges. You'll get a very good idea after seeing the cutoffs. You won't even need me for answering your queries. once you see the cutoff. So now the point is, many students, I know many students personally, my own students in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, who have already joined NLUs. They've scored very good marks in the CET, Maharashtra Law CET, but they've already joined a national law school. They're already studying at Symbiosis or Narsi Manji. So they probably, at least a few of them, won't consider joining a college through CET, especially the ones who have got the top 5 or top 10 national law schools, will probably not participate in the cap round. That's why the reason I'm showing you this is that out of these 260 plus candidates, now we're considering the top scorers, remove 60 students. So 200 are left. So if you have scored below less than 110 marks from Maharashtra, it's highly unlikely that you'll get GLC. If you've scored less than 110 and you are an OMS candidate, it's almost impossible for you to get into GLC Mumbai. That's the reason I showed you this frequency of top scores. Please try to understand this. So these are the current scores 2020. So if your target is GLC and if you're a Maharashtra candidate, you'll need 110 or more. If you're an OMS candidate, even if you get 110 marks, it's highly unlikely that you'll get into GLC Mumbai. I repeat, 15% seats in Maharashtra colleges and law colleges in Maharashtra are reserved for OMS candidates. 85% are reserved for Maharashtra candidates. That's why there's a huge difference in the cutoffs. I'll show you the cutoffs in a moment. Now, this is very important, guys. I'm sort of counseling you. So please try to understand this. Which factors affect your choice of college? I'm not talking about your chances of getting into a particular college. I'm saying what are the factors that influence your choice of college, which factors you should consider. Shreya, it depends. If you're from Aurangabad, I think MNLU Aurangabad is a good choice. ILS Pune is also good, but national law schools have a brand name of their own. Anyway, cap rounds, I expect them to start in the next 10 to 15 days. That's just an expectation. I'm not predicting anything. So, no Hanuman, this session is for students or candidates who have already appeared for Maharashtra Law CET. If you have not appeared for Maharashtra Law CET, this session won't be of much use to you. Anyway, so these are the things you should consider. City. Mumbai, Nagpur and Aurangabad have high courts. Aurangabad has the bench of Bombay High Court, Aurangabad bench, and Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. Bombay High Court in Mumbai, Aurangabad bench in Aurangabad, Nagpur bench in Nagpur. So these three cities have high courts. Pune does not have a high court. However, Pune is a very student-friendly city. It's very popular among students throughout the state, throughout the country. It's also called the Oxford of the East. I've lived in Pune for some time. It's a great city to live in. I would personally prefer living in Pune than in Mumbai. So anyway, I'm specifically talking about Pune. The second point, a big city with a thriving legal fraternity. Many lawyers, law firms, most of the law firms have their head offices. The big names have their offices, or at least their head offices in Mumbai. So Mumbai, staying in Mumbai will give you that slight edge, provided all the other things are the same. Pune does not have a high court, but there are many other things in favor of Pune. And ultimately, you should go to a city. You're going to spend the next 5 years in that city. That's a very long time. So you should choose a city that has many options to enjoy college life. restaurants, multiplexes, maybe if you're interested, good nightlife, pubs, discos, etc. So the whole point is, yeah, the city is very important. Ideally, you should consider cities with high courts, or maybe Pune, which does not have an high court, does not have a high court, but it's a very big city. Many lawyers, thousands of lawyers in the city. There are internships available in Pune, so it's a good option. See, if there is a high court in that city, there are many lawyers. This will also give you access to many internship opportunities. Wherever there is a high court, I live in Aurangabad city, which has a high court. Aurangabad is in Maharashtra. So it has a high court, and there are thousands of lawyers in Aurangabad, in the district, in the surrounding areas, and there are very well-known, renowned lawyers in this city, which actually gives you access to multiple internship opportunities. So these are factors you should consider. First is city, second, university. Mumbai University and Pune University are very popular among students. So usually these are the top two choices. Mumbai, Pune, sometimes Pune and then Mumbai. The other universities come later. Mumbai University and Pune University are very popular. See, the university that you've graduated from is one of the important factors that your employer considers while offering you a job. If you're a graduate of Mumbai University or Pune University, there is some sort of status associated with that degree. I'm not saying the other universities are not good. It's just that Mumbai and Pune are very big universities, thousands, even lakhs of students, and they're very popular. They have a certain level of, what can I say, a certain reputation, status associated with them. So you should consider colleges. See, if you get a chance to get into a decent college in Mumbai or Pune University and a good college in some other university, I would strongly recommend going for the decent college under Mumbai or Pune University. So university is as important as your college. Next, yes, Achyut, I've discussed those cutoffs later. Please be patient. We're discussing the cutoffs in just 2 minutes. Now, college, while selecting your college, the reputation of the college. I'm giving a list of 10 good colleges. Uh, on the next slide, I've given the list of 10 colleges. Then, campus infrastructure, the faculty members, the student teacher ratio. How many of the faculty members have PhDs or postgraduate degrees? How many of them are experienced? Do you get lecturers who are very young and they're freshers, no experience? Or do you get experienced lecturers? Do experienced lecturers, postgraduates teach you? So these are things you should consider. You should also consider visiting faculty, not just the regular faculty, but the visiting faculty as well. This is where staying in a city with a high court helps you. So in Mumbai, you will get visiting faculty in many colleges, good visiting faculty, practicing lawyers with a wealth of experience. This will also help you build connections, help you in networking, and the alumni network. So if a college has a huge alumni network, it will definitely be an added advantage. For example, GLC has a huge alumni network. ILS has a huge alumni network. Symbiosis has a huge alumni network. So these are the top colleges, old colleges, whose alumni are now working in top positions in the industry, or they're independent lawyers practicing in high courts and even the Supreme Court. Ayush, it depends. I wouldn't recommend it at first glance. Shreya, I think it's a good course by MNLU Nagpur. It's a good course. MNLU Nagpur is a very good university. I have students studying at Nagpur, Maharashtra National Law University, and their feedback is extremely positive. Uh, Shreya, you'll have to go through the entrance exam syllabus. There is a GD, an interview round, a GD round. You'll have to prepare for that. Now, the final slide, factors affecting your choice. I'm saying your choice. I'll bring out another video. I will talk about your choice of college after the cap round starts. But before that, these are the things you should consider. Your budget. GLC, the college fees is very low. GLC Mumbai. But living in Mumbai is very expensive. Private colleges are comparatively more expensive. Government colleges are cheaper in terms of fees. So you should consider your budget, not just the college fees, but the lodging and boarding options as well. So although GLC Mumbai is cheap in the sense that the fees I think is about 20,000 per year, but living in Mumbai is very expensive. Lodging and boarding costs, food, hostel, it's very expensive in Mumbai. And you won't easily get hostels around GLC Mumbai because it's in Churchgate, the hub, the business district of Mumbai. So you'll have to travel a lot to reach your college. You'll have to stay in some other part of the city in Mumbai and travel to your college. Second, Pune comparatively is a better choice. Within a radius of 5 kilometers, you'll get multiple options for lodging and boarding in Pune within a 5-kilometer radius of the college. Mumbai has options, but they're very expensive. And then your distance, the distance from your hometown, connectivity. So, for example, Mumbai, Pune, Aurangabad, Nagpur, all these four cities are connected, well connected by road, by train, by flights. Mumbai, of course, has dozens of flights connecting it to various parts of the country. Even Pune and Nagpur are very well connected. Aurangabad, the city in which I stay, has an airport. It is connected to the big cities. There is a flight to Mumbai, a direct flight. There are direct and indirect flights to other cities as well. Right now, due to the coronavirus situation, the flights have stopped, but it's a well connected city. But the other cities, the smaller cities, aren't well connected by air. By road, by train, most cities in Maharashtra are well connected. Yes, I won't be able to discuss the category wise cutoff for all the colleges, but I will talk about cutoffs for general male, Maharashtra and OMS. Okay, so these are, see, this is tier 1. I've not written 1 or 2. Just because GLC Mumbai is a government college doesn't necessarily mean it's better in all respects than ILS Pune. I know a couple of students who have preferred ILS Pune over GLC Mumbai. I forgot to tell you another thing, college attendance. This is also important from what I've heard. ILS Pune and a few other private colleges are very strict when it comes to attendance. And I've talked to students from GLC Mumbai, and they said the attendance in GLC Mumbai, the attitude is very relaxed. The attendance on paper is compulsory, but in reality, it's not strictly enforced at GLC Mumbai. Now, there are many reasons for choosing GLC Mumbai, and one of the reasons is that the attendance is not strict, meaning you get many chances, opportunities to go for internships because the attendance is not strictly enforced. Whereas in ILS and other colleges, because the attendance is strictly enforced, you don't get opportunities to go to lawyers, work under lawyers during your college hours. So there are positives and negatives. College life is what you make of it. So there are students who enjoy GLC Mumbai, don't attend college, don't do anything, just enjoy the 5 years of college life. And there are some others who don't attend college because the attendance is not compulsory, but spend that time working as interns at various offices, at various law firms in Mumbai. Yes, of course, placements. Sorry, I forgot to write it down. I think I wrote it somewhere else. Placements. This is also an important factor. I'll be discussing these things later in another session. Right now, I wanted to focus on cutoffs, but this is important, so you should consider placements. Of course, GLC Mumbai, among all these colleges, from what I've heard, GLC Mumbai has the best placements, followed by ILS Pune, and then the other colleges. So anyway, let's start the discussion now. The top colleges: GLC Mumbai, ILS, Tier 1. I would call them the Tier 1 colleges. Tier 1 colleges. Then SVKMs, Pravin Gandhi College of Law. This is a minority institution, linguistic minority. So if your mother tongue is Gujarati, then you can get admission to this college with a lower score than other general category or other category candidates. Certain seats are reserved for linguistic minorities, Gujarati speaking candidates. Pravin Gandhi. Similarly, Rizvi College is also a minority institution, but certain seats are reserved for religious minorities, not linguistic minorities. At Pravin Gandhi, Gujarati speaking candidates. Rizvi College, Muslim candidates. But what I've seen is many of these seats go unfilled, and these minority seats are then converted to Maharashtra quota, MS category candidates. Then they are open for candidates from Maharashtra. So this is tier 2 colleges. Location is important. Some of you might want to continue. And guys, the rank has not been declared. It's only a serial list. Your rank will be declared later based on your category, MS or OMS. I got many messages from students. Sir, my rank is 150, 170. No, that's just your serial number. Your rank for MS category, your rank for OMS category will be declared later. How can you recognize OMS and MS category? How can you bifurcate them? It's not possible. There are many MS category students whose names are not Marathi sounding. So they're not Marathi speaking, but they're Maharashtrians. So you won't be able to identify the MS category candidates in the list. And the OMS, not all of them. Just because the name doesn't sound Maharashtrian, Marathi, doesn't mean that candidate is not from Maharashtra. Your ranks have not been declared. That's just the serial list. So don't consider your rank right now. Wait for two separate lists, MS list and OMS list. Shreya, it depends. Which MNLU have you got? If you get into MNLU Mumbai, I would think it's a better option than ILS. But if you have an option between GLC and MNLU, then maybe you could consider either of them depending on your budget and other factors. Tier 3, this is Tier 3. These are Tier 3. Now, these are not bad colleges. In fact, these are good colleges. Tier means I'm just saying Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. All these are good colleges. The top two, GLC and ILS, are nationally renowned. Even these two are very good. Pravin Gandhi College of Law and Navalmal Firodia. It's not Fergusson College. Fergusson College does not offer an LLB. The society is D.E.S, Deccan Education Society, which operates these two colleges. Fergusson College is a separate college. Navalmal Firodia is a separate college. The name of the college is Navalmal Firodia College of Law. Because many students get confused, I've written Fergusson in brackets. But Fergusson is a separate college. The campus is more or less the same, but the colleges are different. Then the group 3, it's not tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. I should have said group 1, group 2, group 3. These are very good colleges. These are the best, these two, among all colleges in under Maharashtra CET. These are very good. These are also good. But then the demographics also matter. For example, at Modern Law College, you will see many, many, many Maharashtrians. I mean, all these colleges will have candidates from Maharashtra, but the proportion of Maharashtrians in Modern Law College, when you look at the total student population, is more, the percentage is more as compared to other colleges. So, OMS students, one of my students who's not from Maharashtra said he wasn't very comfortable at Modern Law College because there were very few OMS candidates. So he chose Rizvi College in Mumbai. It depends. See, personal preferences and other factors. That's why I discussed those factors previously, and now we're discussing the top colleges. It doesn't mean the other colleges are bad. Now, these are the lower rung colleges. These are also good colleges. This is a very good college in my city. Many of my relatives have graduated from this college. My elder brother, mere bade bhaiya, sage bade bhaiya, he is a district and sessions judge, district judge, and he graduated from this college. He is one of the youngest. He was selected as a district judge at the age of 36, which is quite an achievement. He graduated from this college. Many High Court judges are graduates of this college, MP Law College. I stay in Aurangabad. I know the standard of this college. It's a very good college. But it's in Aurangabad. It's not in Pune or Mumbai. So many OMS candidates don't prefer this over the tier 2 colleges in big cities. Rashtrasant Tukroji Maharaj Nagpur University's Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College of Law. Quite a long name. It's a very good college. But it's in Nagpur. Typically, candidates from Mumbai or Pune don't prefer going all the way to Nagpur, the other side of Maharashtra. It's the eastern side of Maharashtra. So most Maharashtra candidates from Pune, Mumbai, Western Maharashtra, Central Maharashtra prefer Mumbai or Pune. So that's why cutoffs for colleges in Mumbai and Pune are higher than the cutoffs for colleges in Nagpur, for colleges in Aurangabad. So these are the factors you should consider. I am especially saying this to candidates who are not from Maharashtra because you'll need to consider many things before giving your preference. Now, anyway, now these are cutoffs. I shared these cutoffs previously. The top colleges, the group 2 colleges, group 3 colleges. I'll discuss. See, this will give you an idea. I expect the cutoffs to go up slightly this year. These are cutoffs for 2019. This year, I expect a slight increase. So GLC Mumbai last year 117, Maharashtra State 109. I think for Maharashtra this year, the cutoff would be closer to 110, more than 110. I think 11 or 12. Now these cutoffs are after the third round. First round, second round, third round, and then the institutional rounds. Don't expect any vacancies in the institutional round at GLC Mumbai. You can expect a few vacancies at ILS and Pravin Gandhi. There are vacancies during the institutional round at Ferguson and all these other colleges. Not in this college. This is a government college, University of Mumbai's School of Law. It's not in Mumbai, it's in Thane, an adjoining district. It's very well connected to Mumbai by local trains, by road. For all intents and purposes, practically, it's a part of Mumbai, although it's a separate district. So these are the colleges. Look at the marks. Rizvi College is a minority institution, and because the minorities, the seats reserved for minorities weren't filled, these were converted to MS category, Maharashtra state category seats. And then the cutoffs went down further. Candidates from Mumbai prefer this college over tier 2 or tier 3 colleges in Pune and in other cities. It's a very good college. So two colleges are minority institutions, Pravin Gandhi and Rizvi College. Rizvi College is a religious minority institution. Certain seats are reserved for Muslims. Pravin Gandhi College of Law is a linguistic minority college. So certain seats are reserved for Gujarati speaking candidates. Candidates whose mother tongue is Gujarati. Just because you speak Gujarati won't help you get into this college for those minority seats. Anyway, so guys, how can I give you answers? How can I give you cutoffs for individual categories and colleges? It's highly impossible to do so during a live lecture. Many students are asking me about their chances. That's precisely why I'm showing you these cutoffs. Look at these cutoffs. These are general category male cutoffs. Cutoffs for female general category are lower by 1 or 2 marks. That's it. So for MS, if this was 109 after the first round, for general category male, for female it's around 108 or 107 probably, not lower than 107. OMS candidates are considered general category candidates. All 15% seats are considered general category. Everyone has to compete for these. I mean, OMS candidates don't get horizontal reservation, OBC, SC, ST, etc. These are OMS seats. There's no further trifurcation or separation into 4 categories. These are all 15% are general category seats. You have to fight for these seats, OMS candidates. For Maharashtra state candidates, general category, OBC, SC, ST, VJ, NT, etc. So these are the cutoffs, guys, for the top colleges. This year I expect the cutoffs to go up slightly. This is the second group. Then the third group, Modern Law College, University of Mumbai School of Law. I repeat, this University of Mumbai School of Law is not in Mumbai. It's in Thane. You can Google this. Look at the pictures of the college. I've given you the locations. This is Mumbai University. This is Mumbai. Pune, the other two are Pune, ILS and Firodia, Navalmal Firodia. Again, this is Pune University. This is Mumbai University. This is Mumbai University. This is Nagpur University. Again, Pune University. And then Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathawada University. It's a good university, but again, Nagpur University is also a very good university. But typically, candidates prefer Mumbai University and Pune University over other universities in Maharashtra. I'm from Aurangabad. I know the people who studied at this college. Many of my relatives have studied at this college. My father has an LLB. My cousins, my brother has an LLB. My brother is a district judge. My cousins are lawyers. I am an engineer. I am not a lawyer. I was the exception. But this is a very good college. It's in Aurangabad. It comes under Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathawada University. The university is good. The college is also good. It has a huge alumni base. Graduates from MP Law College Aurangabad have gone on to become High Court judges, district judges. But see, ultimately it's perception, city, many other factors, employability, etc. See, it's very difficult to predict your OMS rank or MS rank because I know a few people who had appeared for this exam just for the sake of experience, and they've got very good ranks. Our faculty member Pranav Pant sir got an All India rank of 23 or 25, I guess. And he's not going to participate in the cap round. He doesn't want an LLB. He appeared for the exam just for the sake of experience. So there will be these dropouts, faculty members who appeared for this CET. Then there are, I know personally, my students who have been selected in various NLUs. They are not going to participate in this cap round. Some of them have joined symbiosis, Narsi Manji. A few of them have got into NLUs. Although they've got good scores, they're not going to participate in the cap round. So these are all dropouts. What's left? See, the picture will be clear only at the time of the cap rounds. But I can give you a general idea once the lists are out. OMS merit list, MS merit list. Right now, just by looking at these names, I cannot tell you what chances you have. I can give you a vague idea, but I don't want to give you the wrong information. I expect the cap rounds to start in the next 10 to 15 days. I've already shared these statistics. So I hope these things are clear. I shared the list of top colleges. Guys, I'm always available for you. The reason I'm not telling you your chances is because the merit lists are not out. What you're quoting as your AIR is not your AIR. Even I said 23rd rank, 25th rank. It's not your rank. It's just a serial list. You can say it's an all India rank, but what matters is your category rank, not your all India rank. So an all India rank of 100 is good, but it's not sufficient to get into GLC if you are an OMS candidate. So a rank of even I think a rank of 50 wouldn't be sufficient for an OMS category candidate. If there are many OMS candidates in the top 50. So I don't know how many OMS candidates are there in the top 50. I will talk about category wise cutoffs: OBC, SC, ST, VJ, NT, MS, OMS once the merit lists are out. Okay, so once again, these are the top colleges: Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, and finally Group 4. These are good colleges, but many students prefer Mumbai or Pune universities, Mumbai or Pune cities over other universities, over other cities. And to a certain extent, I agree with them. If you get a decent college in Mumbai or Pune university, you should go for it rather than a good college in a relatively unknown or relatively less popular university. Ultimately, as I said, college is what you make of it. The next 5 years are going to be some of the most exciting years of your life, and you have to ensure that you give your best. Enjoy your college life, but give it your best shot. These are all good colleges. This is a very good college in Nagpur, very popular among candidates from eastern Maharashtra, the Vidarbh region. But candidates from central Maharashtra, western Maharashtra don't really prefer going to Nagpur. This is also a good college in Aurangabad, my city, but candidates from western Maharashtra and eastern Maharashtra don't prefer coming to this college. This is in central Maharashtra. So location preferences, that's why I discussed factors affecting your choice of college. And these were the cutoffs last year. Once again, I expect the cutoffs to rise slightly this year. These are cutoffs for general category male. Maharashtra cutoffs and OMS cutoffs male. This is a minority institution, linguistic minority. So if your mother tongue is Gujarati, you can get admission through the minority quota. This is also a minority institution. This is a religious minority institution. So if you're a Muslim, you can get admission through the minority quota. Rizvi College is a very good, very popular college in Mumbai. And because the minority seats were not filled, they were converted to Maharashtra state quota. So if you get a chance to if you get admission to this college, by all means take it, because it's a very good college. I will discuss the cutoffs later, once again in another video, when the cutoffs, the merit lists are out, not the cutoffs, the merit lists are out. The MS merit list and OMS merit list. This is a government college, guys. Rashtra Sant Tukroji Maharaj, Nagpur University's Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar College of Law. It's a government college, it's a very good college. These are private colleges. Shankarrao Chavan Law College and Manikchand Pahadi Law College, good colleges. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much. If you're planning to appear for CLAT next year, if you're planning to take a drop of 1 year, if you're planning to appear for CET next year, please consider grade up for your law entrance exam preparation. We have recently launched courses for CLAT 2021. This will also include a lot of questions asked in CET. Right now, we don't have a separate course for Maharashtra Law CET, but if you join our CLAT course, you will get some preparation for CET as well. And because it's our 5th anniversary, we're 5 years old, we've started a sale. The price has been lowered by literally thousands and thousands of rupees. If you subscribe for 18 months, it will cost you just 19,400. So right now, if you're in the 11th standard, you should go for this option. If you're in the 12th standard, if you're appearing for CLAT 2021, you should go for the 9-month option, not the 18-month option. So I highly recommend 18-month subscription for candidates who are appearing for CLAT 2022 and the 9 months option for candidates who are appearing for CLAT 2021. This is not the regular price, this is the discounted price because it's our 5th anniversary. And during this sale period, you'll get up to 40% off and extra 10% off. This offer is valid only for a few days, guys. If you subscribe, if you join Grade Up, you'll get unlimited access to structured live courses and mock tests. This is our flagship course, the CLAT 2021 course. It's a comprehensive course that will prepare you for CLAT 2021. You'll get expert guidance from NLU alumni, day-wise study plan with CLAT new pattern syllabus, and all topics will be covered through live classes, not recorded classes, live classes and quizzes. You can ask your queries and doubts during these live classes. This course includes 330 plus live classes, 7,000 plus practice questions, more than 200 PDFs, and 40 plus mocks and 130 plus sectional tests. So if you're in class 11th, new batch started on the 2nd of November. This will cover, this is for CLAT 2022, 400 plus live classes, 10,000 plus practice questions, 200 plus PDFs, 60 plus mock tests and 130 plus sectional tests. This is our faculty team: Surajit sir from NLU Gandhinagar, Shantanu sir from NLSIU Bengaluru, then Savitri ma'am, 26 plus years of experience, Sanujam sir, 17 plus years of teaching experience, Naveen sir, 9 plus years of experience, Ankit sir and Pranav sir. So anyway, guys, this is our star-studied faculty team. Please consider Grade Up for your law entrance exam preparation. I promise we won't disappoint you. So there will be a separate session once the merit lists are out. Right now the merit list is not out. It's a common list. There will be separate merit lists for MS candidates and OMS candidates. I will give you a lot more clarity once those lists are out. I will conduct another session, rest assured. Many of you are asking me about your chances. If you've just joined in, guys, I've shown you the cutoffs for individual colleges. Cutoffs last year, this year, the cutoffs are expected to go up slightly. I repeat, you cannot say anything based on your all India rank. Your category rank, your state rank matters. So let's wait for a few days and then we'll have another session. I will guide you. When you're giving your preferences, we will conduct a separate session. At Grade Up, we care for you. We care for your future, guys. Students are the focus for us while we're doing anything at Grade Up. So you can call us on the number given in the comment section in the description box to get more information about our courses. See you soon. Till then, I've been Abhishek. You've been awesome.